Just like the previous task, we're going to learn to play a piece of music, then analyze it slightly and write something in the same style. This piece is called a passacaglia. The word passacaglia is Spanish or Italian and means walking down the street. It's based around a left-hand theme that is repeated over and over again. And this is what it sounds like. So let's have a look at the ideas that Handel has used for this piece. The chords follow what's called the circle of fifths. It starts on A minor, goes a fifth down to D, and then G, C, down to F, B, E, to finally end up on A minor again. And just like any good old-fashioned pop song, these chords are then repeated again and again, but with different variations. If we look at Handel's third variation, here Handel uses what's called a sequence. A sequence is a repetition. So here he repeats the first bar, but then starts a note down. And then another note down. So now to your actual task. I'd like you on manuscript paper to copy Handel's left-hand ostinato. Ostinato is a posh word for repeated pattern. Then I would like you to make up a melody using your own rhythm. In this first variation, use only chord notes. I used E and C, which is part of the A minor, and then A, F, D, which is part of the D minor. And this is my rhythm. Once you come up with your first bar, you simply copy the same bar a step down. And then for your third bar, another step down. And then for your fourth bar, make up a slight variation to your pattern and make it sound like an ending. This is my example. So for your next 4-bar variation, I would like you to repeat the same left-hand pattern, but change time signature. This piece is in 4 beats in the bar. Traditionally, a passacaglia is written with triple meter. You are welcome to change it to whatever time signature you like, but you will need to adopt the left hand to fit in. I will need to change mine from 4 beats in the bar, and I decided to do it in 3 beats in the bar. So I need to change that to 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and so on. For your melody, use the same rhythm as in your previous variation, but adopt it to your new time signature. For me, that would be something like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. But make up a new melody. Use the chord notes again, but why not also use the notes next to your chord? So if we have an A minor, why not also use the B and the D and the F? There are lots of different posh names for these notes. For example, passing notes, because they passes between the chord notes, or auxiliary note, which starts on a chord note, then goes up or down a step, to finally return to the same note again. Here is my example. So for your next 4-bar variation, I would like you to repeat the right hand pattern that you just did, your melody, and then work on developing the left hand. The left hand can use any chord notes, but also passing note, which is what Handel used in his 3rd variation. Here is my example. Finally, I would like you to come up with another 4-bar variation. Please feel free to be inventive with both key signature, melody and left hand. Look forward to seeing you in the next task.